Because I am an African woman.
African bum is not supposed to be fat.
African bum is not supposed to be fat?
Yes, they're supposed to be different.
You don't know anything about Africa.
I'm not talking about Africa.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cynthia Azoka and Family Channel. In case you're wondering what is going on here, my name is Cynthia. I live in South Korea. This is an African woman in South Korea who has this special skill of making her hair by herself. One skill that has saved me tons and tons of money. I know how much I would have been spending to do this, but thank God that I can totally do this myself. So we were supposed to go for a barbecue the following day, right? And I decided to braid my hair so I can look good while I attend that barbecue. In the beginning of this video, I was having a conversation with my son about African women, and you heard that from the beginning of the video, right? So at this point, my arms are tired. And my son, I was so quiet at this point. My son thought I'd ended the live stream, and he came in to ask me. I'm gonna let the real voice play. I think he came in at some point here to ask me about this live stream.
I was so quiet. I'm not ended though. I'm not done with my hair.
Yeah. So this is one skill that I am, super glad that I have. So I'll just be expressing tiredness, because I was actually recording this. This was a live stream, I was just chatting with my friends on live stream while I was doing this hair. As you can see my progress, I've done about 4. I've done about 4 braids now, and I think I have maybe 3 more to go. So, oh my God, I got so tired. I told my son to give me water to drink, and he was messing with me. I even got angry at him. He gave me an empty bottle. You guys saw that, have you? So just watch me braid my hair. Here I made a mistake. I was so angry when I made this mistake, because I just had 2 more braids to go at this point. But the thing wasn't coming out nice anymore. I had to take it out and redo it. When you're doing something and it's about to end, that is when you start making mistakes. That is when the frustration heightens. So village people wanted me to give up at this point, but I said no, I'm not gonna give up. I will take it down and I will keep going. Yeah, mama, you want to come say hi while I'm doing this voiceover? Come now. You want to say something? Ha. Did you hear my baby's voice? My baby is contributing to this voiceover. Say something. Say hello. Say huh. So guys, my arms were tired. My arms were tired at this point. But you see, I didn't give up. That's the good thing. That's one thing I know about me. No matter how difficult something seems, I always end up pulling through. Yeah. I can't wait for you guys to see how this hair turned out. I can't wait. At this point, I don't even know what to say again in this voiceover. I didn't plan it. I just hit record. I didn't write any scripts. I was just shouting DM at that point and, still having a chat with my people on the live stream who kept me company. Oh my God. I appreciate everybody who always joins my live stream. If you're coming across this video for the first time and you have never joined my live stream, you are more than welcome to come and join the people who keep me company, make me happy. You know, I love live streaming because I don't feel so bored doing it. Yeah, I used to feel so bored, so lonely, because I've lived here in South Korea for like 8 years without my family, and you know, but now I've found a new hobby, which is live streaming. I've been making friends from live stream. Oh my god, tons of friends from live stream. I think at this point I'm done with this hair. I'm done with this hair, but I didn't do the ends in this video. I did the ends the next day, you know, but this is just me, proud of my work, proud of myself. The next day I put hot water and I curled the ends, and it came out looking great. It came out looking great. So this is me just telling them on the live stream, like, oh my god, and they were saying the hair is nice, and I was like, thank you, thank you, thank you. My baby wanted me to carry her at this point. But guys, this is one skill that I am more than happy to have. My son came. I told him to come. Let's pose for a screenshot, because I wanted to take a screenshot out of this live for my thumbnail. Yeah, so this was us posing for a screenshot. Guys, rate this hair. What do you think? What do you think? My baby girl missed me while I was doing this hair. She's so happy that I'm holding her now. And she's grateful and thankful to everybody who watches us. And she's saying bye, guys.